In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a video in Beacon AI. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Beacon Studio account. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll access the video section. Click on all videos and then choose upload, or if you see the option, click upload videos. When you do this, the upload module should open in a new browser tab, so don't worry if the screen changes. Next, you'll need to select an ingest profile. This is an important part of the upload process because the ingest profile controls how your video is processed and transcoded after it's uploaded. In other words, it helps determine how the system prepares your file for playback and publishing. Make sure you choose the profile that fits the type of video you're adding. After that, it's time to upload your file. You can do this in one of two ways. You can click Browse for Videos and manually select the file from your computer, or you can simply drag and drop the video directly into the upload window. Beacon also supports uploading multiple videos at the same time, which is helpful if you're working in batches. Once the upload starts, the main thing to remember is to keep that upload page open. Wait until the status changes to processing complete. This part is very important because refreshing the page, closing the tab, or exiting the browser too early can interrupt the upload or processing. If your file is large, this may take a little time, so just let it finish completely before moving on. When processing is complete, click View and Edit Video Details, or simply click Edit if that's the option shown on your screen. This is where you can update the information connected to your video. You may want to add or revise the video, title, description, tags, and folder location. You may also be able to set the status to active or inactive and complete any custom fields your account requires. Taking a moment to fill these out carefully can make your video easier to organize and find later. When you've finished editing the details, click Save to apply your changes. If your account has required fields, make sure every mandatory field is completed before expecting the video to become active. Finally, once the video is active, you can publish it or use it within your Beacon setup. Depending on how your account is configured, that might mean assigning the video to your Beacon app, a playlist, or a player, and that's how to put a video in Beacon AI from start to finish.